Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Erwan. Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Erwan. Welcome to the French whiteboard lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn how to give your phone number in French. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary first. We have 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9, 9. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the phone number. Listen for the number and see how they're used in the dialogue. Votre numéro de téléphone, s'il vous plaît. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 06 00 34 57 00. Your phone number, please? My phone number is 06 00 34 57 00. Votre numéro de téléphone, s'il vous plaît. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 06 00 34 57 00. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogue will follow. Mon numéro de téléphone est phone number. My phone number is phone number. Mon numéro de téléphone est phone number. The verb est is used to indicate possession for unchanging properties, such as phone number. Also, remember to use le before the phone number as part of the sentence construction. Do you remember how to say 1? 1. 1. And how to say 2? 2. 2. Do you remember how to say 3? 3. 3. And how to say 4? 4. 4. Do you remember how to say 5? 5. 5. And how to say 6? 6. 6. Do you remember how to say 7? 7. 7. How to say 8? 8. 8. Do you remember how to say 9? 9. 9. And how to say 0? 0. 0. Do you remember how to say my phone number? Mon numéro de téléphone. Mon numéro de téléphone. And how to say my phone number is 0600345700. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 06 00 34 57 00. Mon numéro de téléphone est le 06 00 34 57 00. In this lesson, you learn how to give your phone number in French. Thanks for watching. I'm Erwan and I will see you on FrenchPod101.com. Salut! À la prochaine!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.